with the Audrey Adventures. Hi guys!
Hi!
Hi!
Today we're doing the Christmas slime challenge. Audrey's going to make Grinch slime and Mommy is going to make Christmas Santa Claus slime. And we're going to let you guys be the judge on who you think wins. Yeah?
Let's get started!
Let's get started! Alright, so we both have 2 things of glue, so let's start putting in our glue.
Can you
I'll
hold?
take the lids off for you.
Thank you.
There's one. You're welcome. Just pour it in your bowl. Here's your glitter. Make sure you get it all in there. Don't pull it away until it stops dripping. Put mine in here. Whoa.
Is this cute? But I have lots.
Yeah, it has lots in it. We haven't seen the new movie, the new Grinch movie, but we can't wait to see it. We might go see it tomorrow. Are you guys excited? Have you seen
We
seen the Grinch movie?
watched it on our trip.
Yeah, we watched the last
Grinch,
Grinch movie, but we haven't seen the new one yet.
but we did it on our trip.
Yeah, we went on a little vacation, and we watched the Grinch while we were in our hotel room. The old Grinch.
Can I do it with
So who do you think is going to turn out better?
the
Write in the comments.
mine?
Hashtag Audrey, or hashtag
Mom.
Grinch, or hashtag Mommy, hashtag Santa Claus. Hey, while you're doing that, I'm going to add some red to mine to make it look like Santa's suit. Straight, straight, straight. Look, it's like a candy cane. It's like a peppermint. Alright, that's probably enough. Let's see. I don't want it to turn pink, so we gotta add quite a bit of red to make it not look pink. Whoa, look at that. It looks like peppermint. That's really cool. Oh, we should add some peppermint scent to it. And make it scented slime. I might have to do that later. Okay, it's still a little bit pink, so I'm gonna add a little bit more red. And then once I add this red glitter, that will definitely make it look more red. Okay, you ready to add color to yours? And since Audrey's is the Grinch, it's gotta be green. So we have some green food coloring. I didn't have any red food coloring, that's why we used red paint for mine, but that's okay. Okay, stir that up. Let's see how it looks.
Okay.
And if we need to add more, we can. Whoa! That looks like the Grinch green, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Look, guys. Does that look like the Grinch?
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Okay. That's
Yes.
good.
Alright, you want to add your glitter?
Yeah.
Okay, you keep stirring while I open this. Okay, we have 2 things of glitter to put in hers.
And then
Okay, first one is a dark gray glitter. Whoa. It looks like Emerald City President from Wizard of Oz. And then we have this other green. This green really reminds me of the Grinch. I don't know if you guys can see the colors. There you go.
we're gonna do my trip. I'm gonna bring Sissy on my trip.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, we're going on another vacation soon. She's very excited about it. Okay, stir that up and I'll add my red glitter. Whoa, yours is turning out really pretty. I hope mine turns out that pretty. Should I pour the whole thing? We'll pour just about half of it, I think. That's probably good. Okay, now we stir it up and see how it looks. Oh my goodness. It's so pretty. Okay, I think I'm gonna add more glitter. never have too much glitter, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm gonna use
Whoa.
I'm gonna use
Oh my gosh.
my glitter.
Look how pretty that is. It's like a glitter waterfall. Oops. Oh, you're gonna add those? Okay. Whoa, you're gonna add all of that glitter? Oh my goodness. Actually, it's not even glitter. It's like sequins and little snowflakes. I guess that works because the Grinch does live on a snow cap in the mountains, right? Oh my goodness, that is sparkly. So sparkly. Whoa. That color really does look like the Grinch. It's like the perfect color. She added some more green food coloring and it's like perfect. Alright, now that we got our slime ingredients all mixed together, it's time to add the activator. You want to add yours first? Please.
It's moving around on my slime.
Yeah. Alright, let's stir that up. I'll add some to mine.
I think that's actually turning to slime this time.
Already? Oh yeah, Audrey, your last slime. Our last slime challenge, your slime didn't work very well, did it?
I think yours is.
You think mine's not gonna work?
I think it is.
I think it's gone. I think both of our slimes are gonna work this
I
time.
think they need a little bit more.
You do? Okay. There you go. Stir, stir, stir. Stir, stir,
I think
stir.
for the tail or something.
You think it's gonna be a slime fail?
Yeah.
No. I think it's gonna be awesome. But I forgot we have some shaving foam. If you wanna add some shaving foam to yours? Hmm? I'm gonna add some shaving foam to mine.
Yeah, I am too.
You too? Okay. Here you go. Can you push the button? You want me to push it? Whoa. Okay. Stir that in. Sometimes shaving cream helps it activate better. See? Look at that. Added shaving cream and now it's already turning to slime.
Wait, I think mine is turning to slime.
Yes! It's working!
Yes, it's working. It's working. It's working.
Santa slime!
Yeah.
Hashtag Santa slime!
Hashtag Audrey.
Hashtag Grinch slime!
Hashtag that slime.
Whoa, you guys, this has so much glitter in it. It's so pretty.
I can do it.
I think Audrey likes adding the green coloring because she just keeps adding more and more. Mine is just a big ball of glitter. There's like, the only color to it is the glitter. So I think I might add a little bit more red paint to see if I can get it to be a little bit more red. And I think I'm going to take this tablecloth off so that we can put some decorations in. So I'll be right back. Alright guys, we're back.
We're back.
And here's my Santa Claus slime.
Here's my drink slime.
I think they turned out awesome. We had a little accident during our break and Audrey kind of fell over and put her hand on me and got green slime all over my shirt. But that's okay.
I didn't.
Mommy knows how to get slime out of clothes though. So, it'll be okay. Alright, now that we have our slime all the color we want it, the consistency we want
And I did all my food coloring.
And you did it all by yourself, and that is an awesome slime.
And I did my food coloring off.
Yeah.
And you can
Yeah, we do. Alright, now let's spread it all out. Oh no, I got green in mine. Okay, now let's decorate our slime.
Yeah.
I have some red jingle bells, and Audrey has some green pom-poms. And they have little spiky things all over. Oops! Green just wants to get in my slime. I don't want any green in my slime. The Grinch is trying to steal my Christmas slime. Alright, now I'm going to add some jingle bells. Do you know a jingle bell song?
Jingle bell all the way. Jingle bell all the way.
Alright, ready for the bells?
Yes.
Oh my goodness, I wonder if my slime is actually going to jingle. Let's mix it up and see.
3.
Oh my gosh, it does! I can actually hear it jingling. It's a little sticky, but the stickiness will go away after we play with it for a minute. It's actually jingling.
I have some slime on me.
Oh my gosh, yours really looks like the Grinch. Look at all those pom-poms in there. That's so cool. That's awesome. Okay, we have some of these ones too. You want to split these up?
Yeah. I'll put those in there too.
Hey, do you want just the green or do you want some of all of them?
I want 3.
Just green?
I want all.
All of them? Okay. All right, I'll get some out for you and some out for me. I'm going to give you most of the green. Okay, some for you. And some for mommy.
They're not sticking to me. They're not sticking to me.
They're not.
No.
All right, they're mommy's. Here, you can have some more green ones.
Thank you.
I don't want too much green in mine. Whoa, look at that. It's so pretty.
No, this. Whoa.
All right, now it's time for you guys to decide whose slime wins.
They said mine and yours.
They said both of us?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. And if you guys want to see us do another Christmas challenge, we have an idea in mind. We're going to do a Christmas 3-marker challenge. If you guys want to see us do that, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up.
Big thumbs up. We have a lot of slime on us. We have some on our shirt and some on our hands.
It's everywhere.
It's everywhere.
Make sure you hit that bell because that way you'll be notified of every new upload.
I
know Audrey has the giggles.
No. And down below.
Comment down below. Who do you think wins?
They said 2.
Hashtag mommy or hashtag Audrey?
They said all of us.
We can do hashtag
They
Santa
said all of
slime
us.
or
They said,
hashtag Grinch.
ah!
Whoa! Let's see if mommy can make a bubble with yours.
Okay.
Oh no, I got red on yours. Okay, ready? Wow! Look at that big bubble. Hey, mommy, do one. Whoa! Oh, it popped. Do another one. Oh, it's kind of heavy with all those bells in it. Jingle bell slime. It's hard to make bubbles with this.